Yes, today we are going to discuss the magnetic effect of electric current. We will come to know in this video that how the current passing through the wire can produce a magnetic field and can even make a needle to move in one and in another direction. Right? Let's see what will happen here. The electric current was allowed to pass through a metallic wire. This is a wire through which the electric current is passing in this direction. The current always passes from positive to negative terminal, so it is passing in this way, right? And there is a compass which is placed below it, right? You can see here compass is placed below it, and the needle of the magnetic compass, there is a compass and the needle is there, which was found to deflect from its normal position. It will start deflecting from its normal position. How it will deflect? You can see that it will deflect in this direction, right? And if you see in this case, then the current is passing in the reverse direction. It is passing in the reverse direction. So you can observe after the passage of the current, after some time, that the needle will deflect in the other direction. But now question arises that why this happens. We come to know after this experiment that the current produces magnetic field, that's why it is happening. But now how will we say that in which direction the magnetic compass needle will deflect? That for that we have one rule, and that rule is termed as snow rule, right? That rule is termed as snow rule, as the name indicates. Here the name is snow, SNOW. Fine. If the current flow from south to north direction, okay, if the current flow from south to north direction, then the needle will deflect towards west. This is very important. This is one example has been shown here, in which one person is just swimming in south to north direction having the needle in his hand. Then what will happen? The current is flowing from south to north direction, so the needle will deflect towards west. And if its opposite will occur, then the current will flow from north to south. The current will flow from north to south, and then the magnetic needle will deflect towards, opposite of west is east, will deflect towards east. So this is snow rule, which can help you to tell the direction of the needle, the deflection or the direction of the deflection of the needle. There is one more rule which can help you, and that rule is right hand screw rule, in which what will happen? If the current is moving in the upward direction, right, then you can find out the direction of the magnetic field. But how? If the forward motion of the right handed screw is in the direction of the current through a linear conductor, then the direction of the rotation of the screw will give the direction of the magnetic field line. If it will rotate like this, so this will be the magnetic field direction. Or if it will rotate like this and the current is moving in the downward direction, then it will rotate like this in this direction. So this will be the direction of the magnetic field. Let's see, there is one more rule, that is right hand thumb rule. This is very important rule, as it is shown in the figure. If the direction of the current, suppose this is the wire, and if the direction of the current in the upward direction, right, then what will happen? Then the direction of the magnetic field will be, the direction of the magnetic field around this wire will be anti-clockwise. This is very important. As you can see here, this will be anti-clockwise. Yes, this will be anti-clockwise. And if the direction of the current, this is a straight conductor, and the direction of the current in downward direction, right, and then what will happen? Then the direction of the magnetic field will be in clockwise direction, then it will be clockwise direction. This you should know. Then it will be clockwise direction. So you can use right hand thumb rule for a straight conductor through which the current is passing to know the direction of the magnetic field, provided you should know the direction of the current in that. So this is right hand thumb rule.